Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm super excited to make it for you. It's a how to nourish and moisturize your hair for massive hair growth. So if this is something you're interested in, please continue to watch. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video for more contents to come. So okay friends, in today's video, as I said, we're going to be revitalizing our hair, remoisturizing. So that's what we're going to be using. I'm going to be using my hibiscus tea rinse to use. This is my go-to scalp moisturizer. It helps to nourish the scalp. It protects the hair from drying out. Yeah, it helps to reduce dandruff and itchiness on the scalp, thus allowing it to thrive and for new hair to start growing. So I have this DIY onion oil. I mainly use it as a pre-poo, but I've used some oils, okay, some essential oils to enhance the aroma of the oil, so that way I can use it as a leave-in now. So I've put lavender oil, I put more in it, I put lemongrass oil, that's to improve the scent as well, and then I'm using peppermint oil as a way to stimulate new hair growth to the hair. Start spraying the solution onto our scalp, making sure that it's well saturated, and as we do that we massage it in to make sure that it's penetrating our hair follicles and massaging it onto the length of the hair, so that way it penetrates the hair shaft as well. And that's how you're gonna get the results that we're looking for, that blood flow circulation to the scalp through massaging and also conditioning of the scalp. Okay, so here I'm just making sure that every strand is coated with the solution. Now I am playing it fast, but I do very little editing or very little cut from the video, so that way you can see the whole process of how I go about doing it. Okay, and I gently stretch the hair out so that way I can pull some of those shedded hair like you see me doing now. And now once you're done putting in the moisture into the hair, the next step is to seal in that moisture. So I'm going through with my onion oil, DIY onion oil, and just putting it in. Now I am using this Tangle teaser. This has really saved my life. Okay, so I use it all the time. I use it when I'm washing my hair. I use it when I'm moisturizing my hair, so that way I can really lift any buildup that's on my scalp, thus allowing the pores to open, so that way the product can penetrate my hair follicles and stimulating the hair growth. Okay, so now that I am done with that section, I'm just gonna twist it in place. Okay, and that's the amount of shedding that I have from that section of my hair. Now friends, I know some people are asking, why is my hair so uneven? Why is it so short in some parts and it's damaged? Yes, I know my hair is currently going through stages of alopecia, and I'm trying to address that. And I haven't been hiding that from the channel. You guys see that I do have the alopecia, and I'm just on my way to growing it back. So please bear with me. I do not want to do a big chop because anything that shocks me, that like brings more stress, it's just gonna cause more hair shedding and stuff like that. So I'm just doing it slowly until all the hair can become the same length. I do trim all the time. I trim, I remove single strand knots and everything. So I do trim my hair. It's just the process of growing it back. And be patient with me. Join my journey. Please subscribe to the channel. Please show support, and we're gonna grow together. We can do this. It's possible. Yes. So here, guys, it's the same thing that I went through and did to this section. I wet the hair with the tea rinse, and then I added my oil. I massage with my hands and fingers first, then I use my tangle teaser to massage some more. Then I pull the hair downward, removing any shedded hair from my head. Okay, and that's it. I am done. Now I do roll the ends into a perm rod. That is just to prevent single strand knots or anything like that, to keep it moisturized for a long time. And yes, I do tie it up when I'm in the house. I'm not going out. I just put my satin bonnet, and then I take a headscarf and I just tie it. That creates warmth, thus stimulating more blood flow to the scalp and increasing the hair growth at a faster rate as well. Okay, friends, so I hope this was a good one. I hope you find it beneficial and helpful to you. Thank you so much for sticking around, and please don't forget to rate and subscribe, and also comment to give some positive love. Okay, thank you so much and much love. Bye.